Picture a laptop stand that isn't just a utilitarian tool. It's a design statement, a versatile marvel, and a practical upgrade to your work or entertainment space. The RevolveTech 360 is your partner, turning every digital task into a note in the harmonious melody of your tech-savvy lifestyle. Let's delve into the design, for the RevolveTech 360 laptop stand isn't just a stand, it's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its sleek and modern design makes it a standout addition to your workspace. The stand isn't just a support platform, it's an intelligently designed fixture that seamlessly integrates into your digital oasis, becoming a visual delight. It's not just a laptop stand, it's an aesthetic upgrade to your tech setup's elegance. But what truly sets the RevolveTech 360 apart is its rotational prowess. This laptop stand doesn't just hold your device, it does so with dynamic flexibility. The 360-degree rotatable base allows you to effortlessly switch between landscape and portrait modes, adapting to your diverse digital needs. Whether you're working on a presentation, watching a movie, or participating in a virtual meeting, this stand becomes the guardian of adaptable comfort. It's not just a laptop stand, it's a symphony of versatility. Adjustability is the RevolveTech 360 laptop stand's virtue. It doesn't just provide a fixed position, it adapts to your preferred viewing angle. The adjustable height and tilt features ensure that you can customize the stand to achieve the perfect ergonomic setup, reducing strain on your neck and shoulders. The stand's versatility makes it suitable for a variety of devices, from laptops to tablets, enhancing your overall digital experience. It's not just a laptop stand, it's a multitasking marvel. Application is a breeze with the RevolveTech 360 laptop stand. No need for complicated adjustments or intricate maneuvers. The stand's design ensures that you can easily rotate, tilt, and customize the height with minimal effort, allowing you to seamlessly transition between tasks. The sturdy construction provides stability, ensuring that your device stays securely in place, even during the most dynamic digital activities. It's not just a laptop stand, it's an easy upgrade to a world of adaptable comfort and productivity. The RevolveTech 360 laptop stand isn't just a support platform, it's a sensory delight. The smooth rotation, the adjustable height, and the overall enhancement of your digital workspace.